This one's one-on-one. Pinfalls, submissions, disqualifications, and countouts are in effect.
A super kick. Oh, man. Did you see their head snap back?
And the pain has to be shooting through his face.
Oh, look out. Wow. Uh-oh.
He scored with that one.
I can't believe this is a no disqualification match. We didn't see anything in this one. Oh!
He does it again.
In these no disqualification matches, at times it's the most innovative superstar, the one that comes up with a unique way of dealing damage that's able to score the win.
Big move coming. Ooh. Oh.
Look at this.
Oh, look at this. This no disqualification match has been a war. None of these superstars are likely to forget what happened here tonight. Oh, great counter by the Rocker.
Whoa!
He's measuring.
And the Natural nails it.
Oh, my, almost took their head off. Into the cover, hooks the leg. One, two.
That'll make your eyes water. Man, a ferocious blow. Uh-oh, it might be time to run.
What a huge move.
Oh, man, his heat fired up.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
Ooh, face first. What's he up to here? Ah!
What a move, rattling the ring.
How much more extreme will this match become? Man, he almost had his head taken off there. Countered. What a move by the Rocker.
We saw it all in this match, King, and those repeated blows to the skull have definitely taken their toll.
Well, I don't know if the head was intentionally focused on, but it definitely took a lot of damage. Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike.
Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one.
He's still not through. Oof, man. Oh, talk about getting flattened. What a battle this has been. This no disqualification, anything goes match. The Natural might know every counter to every move.
Oh my gosh, did you see his head? And the taunting continues.
Oh, no!
There's a teeth-shattering super kick.
Not this! Good grief!
He's going back outside.
Oh!
Hang on.
That's it! He's out!
Can he score the pin? One, two, three.
The Natural wins!